Good day everyone. Our topic is all about doing life histories and biographical research. Studying history is always focused on history of nations and different collectives. So, ang pag-study sa history is through the lens of nations and collectives, which has been given the valuable insight kung paano ang paggalaw at pag-unlad sa society. It is important, Jude, not to balance this focus with an appreciation sa mga local narratives, individual experiences, and global interconnectedness to gain more knowledge and to have deeper understanding about human history. Studying the life of individual is often incidental to a greater event that has been significant to the life of a larger unit that he or she happened to. So, studying individuals' lives, parating pinapakita how personal experiences connect sa mga significant events. Ang mga individuals is meron silang ambag sa larger movements or historical moments. Pero ang kanilang mga stories is maaaring natatabunan sa mga broader context. Life history. Life history is an oft-neglected sub-discipline history because it is seen as trivial to larger narrative nations, societies, and civilizations. Ang life history is tinuturing neglected sub-discipline, or in other words is napababayaan, because it tends to focus on individual experiences na kailanman makita na walang halaga compare sa mga malalaking narratives of nations and societies. Ang mga historians is pinaprioritize nila ang mga larger events and collective movements. So, ang kanilang tingin sa individual stories is less significant in shaping historical outcomes.
The life historian or the biographer should identify aspects of the individual's life in order to properly historicize his life. A life historian or biographer must identify key aspects of an individual's life to place their story within an historical context, showing personal experiences or shaped by broader social historical forces. Other aspects that may be studied in order to come up with a deeper life history are sector, ethnic group, and culture. So, to deepen a life history, it's important to study factors like individual, sector, professional, ethnic background, and culture. These elements influence their identify choices and experience, providing a richer understanding of their life with a broader context. Zooming out to the national history of the country where the individual identifies with is also helpful. So, examining the national history of the country with which an individual identifies helps to contextualize their life within larger political, social, and historical events, offering a deeper understanding of how national development shaped their experiences and choices.
What is biographical research? Biographical research is a collection and interpretation of personal or human documents. So, biographical research that involves studying the life of an individual. It aims to understand the person's experiences, motivations, and impact on their society or field. On conducting a biographical research, there are primary sources which are the documents, letters, diaries, photographs, and other materials related to the individual's life. We can also interview some people who are close or the nearest family of that individual's life.
Speaking of family, doing a life history of an individual will also lead to questions about his family and institution. Where that individual belongs should also be looked at in studying his life history. Explanation ani Ma'am kay mura po ni siya usa ka kahoy. Ligon o dili basta-basta matumba. O, ang mga ugat mo na nagsilbi nga iyang mga pamilya mao'y gihatag og kusog o mao po'y hatag para mudako ug mulambo.
Life history allows the researcher to explore a person's microhistory, individual experience within a macro-historical history of the time framework. Life history information challenges the researcher to understand an individual's current attitude and behavior and how they may have been influenced by initial decisions made at another time and another place. So, ang microhistorical is details sa life experience sa isa ka tao, bali mao na siya ang primary source.
Importance of doing life history and biological research. Understanding these seemingly mundane aspects of an individual life will provide the historian insight information that will allow him not just simplify states facts about the individual, but also to make sense of these facts, establish connection about the different aspects of individual life in order to understand that person that he has become. Um, the importance of your life doing life history and biological research is lighthouse to allow the historian to gain deeper understanding the person beyond just the basic facts of their life. Kung unsay daw kuan na ng kinabuhi, may studihan mo ilang nga kinabuhi sa mga batasan nila karon or the past kung mga bata pa sila by looking closely different events, experience, choice, shape someone life, history and connection, where's aspect together. Ayun lang, thank you.